Hello friends and welcome back to the channel once again. Hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are making one of the top local food of the voltarians. We are making a food called ayikpele. Ayi means beans in English. This food is loved by Ewes a lot and it is also eaten on special occasions. So when preparing this food, you need beans. You also need roasted corn flour and also some fresh coconut milk. These are the basic ingredients you need when preparing ayikpele. So in my pan, I'm going to pour my beans, and the beans too, you can also use the red one. I'm now going to add my coconut milk and put this on the fire. While the beans is on the fire, I'm also going to prepare my stew, which I will take with my ayikpele. So please stay tuned. The oil is heated. I have also added the onion. I will let it fry for some minutes before adding my tomato paste to it. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add my blended tomatoes and I'll let this simmer for some more minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients to it. Checking on my beans, is still cooking very well, and also I only use the coconut milk to cook the beans. I did not add any water, just the coconut milk. Back to the stew, I will add my pepper and also add my shrimp cube. Give it a quick stir and also add my spices to the stew. The stew is doing so amazing. I just added 1 tablespoon of fish powder to give more flavor to the stew. And also, I want to thank you all for always watching my video and also commenting. I really do appreciate it a lot. And if you are new here, you are welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. To my old returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for always watching my video. Let's continue. My stew is done and I'm now going to add my meat to it. You can also use any meat of your choice for this. So this is going to be on the fire for 5 minutes before taking it off. Checking on my beans is well cooked and as you can see, very soft. So I'm going to add salt to the beans and also add the rest of the ingredients. I will add some grated onion to the beans to give it more flavor, and also I will stir and add some powdered pepper to the beans. At this point, I'm going to add my tomato paste, give it a very good stir, let it mix well with the beans, and I will also add my shrimp cube to it. Then also add my fish powder, and I'll let it simmer for some minutes more before adding my roasted corn flour to the beans. Making this food is similar to making ayikpele or the pepperensa we all know. The only difference between the two is the coconut milk and the beans used in making this one, while the ayikpele we use the palm nut soup in making it. With my coconut milk and my other ingredients, the beans smell so good, and also the oil you see from the surface is from the coconut milk which I used to cook the beans. I did not use any plain water for this recipe. I only use the coconut milk. I'm now going to add my corn flour and mix them together. So it all depends how soft and how hard you want your ayikpele to be. If you want it hard, you have to add more corn flour, and you want it soft too, you have to add less to it. The beans and the corn flour is well combined, and I really love the final outcome. So I'm going to cover this and let it be on the fire for 5 minutes before serving. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and share. And if you are new here, you are welcome to this channel. And to my old returning friends, I say thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate it a lot. So I come your way again. See you in my next video, and please stay blessed.